dear children, welcome back to Gurudeva online classes. Dear student, in the previous class we were discussed about formation of equivalent fractions. In the exercise 7.5 we learned. Okay dear student, today we are going to discuss about new concept in fractions, comparison of fractions. Here first one is same denominator fractions, then second one is same numerators fractions. We discuss now. Okay dear student, here in the first figure, observe first figure, all of you. This is one of the rectangular. In this rectangular we have divided by 5 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes dear student, 5 equal groups we are divided. In these 5 parts, have a one part are shaded. One part is shaded. In totally 5 parts are there. Out of 5 parts, one part is shaded. It means we write in a fraction 1 by 5. Yes, clear? Then observe second rectangular figure. Here in this rectangular figure also we are divided by 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, dear student, in these 5 out of 5 parts, 2 parts are shaded here. Yes, observe 1 and 2 parts are shaded. Clear? The next observe third figure. In this third figure rectangular, here also divided by 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, in these 5 equal parts, out of 5, 3 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. Yes, dear student, this is we call 3 by 5. This is 2 by 5. The next observe fourth figure. Here also in this rectangular we are divided by 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the out of 5 parts, 4 parts are shaded here. Observe 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded. The next fifth figure. Observe fifth figure. Here also in this rectangular we are divided by 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5 parts, 5 parts also shaded. Yes, dear student. So observe these rectangular figure and then observe fractions. In the denominator here, this is we call denominator. This is we call numerator. You learned last class. Yes, dear student. Here denominator is 5. Here also denominator is 5. The next here also denominator is 5. Here also denominator is 5. Here also denominator is 5. We call in the dividing line. Below the dividing line we call denominator. Above the dividing line we call numerators. You know already. Yes, all denominators observe 5, 5, 5. Yes, dear student, it means same denominators. Yes, it means same denominators. In the here also same denominator 5, here also 5, here also 5, here also 5, here also 5. But numerators, observe numerators. Here also one numerators, here 2 numerators, here number 3, here 4, here 5. See, observe dear student, when the denominators are same, greater the numerator is greater fraction. We call greater the numerator is called greater fraction. Here observe greater the numerator, this is numerator 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5. Which is greater? Yes, 5 is greater. Greater the numerator is 5. In this fraction we call greater fraction. Comparison of these 4 fractions. Yes, dear student, when the denominator is same, here also 5, 5, 5, 5. Observe all of you, when the denominator is same, the fraction, the given fraction, which is the numerator is bigger. This is compared, this is 5, this is bigger compared to the 4. Yes, the next also these also you compare. Here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. But 5 is greater. So in this fraction we call greater the fraction compare these fractions. These are the fractions. Yes. The next, which is smaller? Dear student, which is the smaller fraction? Yes. When the denominators is same, the numerator the numerator, which is the smaller numerator. Which is the smaller numerator? This is 1. Compare these other numbers. 1 is the very smaller. Yes, dear students, the given fraction, the same numerator, same denominators, the smaller the numerator. The smaller the numerator, compare these other fractions. This is the smaller fraction. This is the smaller fraction. This is greater fraction. Yes, dear student, understood? See, observe here. Because in this fraction divided by 5 parts, the one of the 40s, observe this is, compare this one very smaller. The next this two, compare this is smaller. The next in these 3 you compare 4 box, this is smaller. In this 4 compare 5, this is smaller. So totally 5 is the bigger. I will give one of the another general example. See, I will conduct one test, unit test, that is total marks is 10. Total marks is 10. So the Ramu get 3 marks. He is Ramu. Yes, dear student. The next, in this same 10 marks, Sonu get 4 marks. Sonu get 4 marks. The next, in this same test conduct, the next Vinay got 7 marks. So out of 10 marks, Ramu got 3 marks. The next Sonu got 4 marks. The next Vinay got 7 marks. So if these compare these numbers, which is greater, more than marks, who's taken? Yes, Vinay is taken more than marks. It means out of 10 he got 7 marks. He is the first. The next Sony is second. He is third. Yes, dear student. So denominators is same. Here denominator is 10. Here denominator 10. Here denominator is 10. But numerator is 7 here. Here numerator is 4. Here numerator is 3. Which is greater? Compare 7, 4, 3. See, 3 by 10, comma 4 by 10, comma 7 by 10. Denominator is same. The next you compare the numerator. Which is greater in the numerator? 7 is the greater. So this 7 by 10 is the greater fraction. Yes. The next 3 by 10 compared to 4, this is smaller. So this is the smaller fraction. Compare these 3 fractions. Okay, dear students, when the given fractions in the same denominators, so 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, in the same denominators, which is the greater the numerator, that fraction is greater fraction. Okay, dear student, now observe same numerators. Here one of the fraction 1 by 2. Here this is one of the rectangular. In this rectangular we are divided by 2 equal parts. Yes, how much parts? 2 equal parts. But one of the part is shaded. Yes, we call this is off or 1 by 2. Yes, so the next, this is another, second one is the rectangular. In this rectangular we are divided by 3 equal parts. How many parts? 3 equal parts. But one of the part is shaded. Yes, dear student, one of the part is shaded. Is clear? The next, go to the third diagram or figure. Observe this rectangular. In this rectangular we are divided by 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, one of the part is shaded. Here also one of the part is shaded. Yes, dear student. The next, observe next figure. In this figure, in this rectangular we are divided by 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 equal parts, out of 5, one of the part is shaded. Yes, one of the part is shaded. Clear? The next, observe next figure. In this rectangular we are divided by 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal part. One of the part is shaded. See, observe, dear student, in the all fractions, observe numerator is here 1. Yes, here also numerator is 1, here also numerator is 1, here also numerator is 1, here also numerator is 1. Here is same numerators. Yes, 1 1 1 1, same numerators, but denominators is changes. Here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6. Yes, dear students, we are concluded that in the given fractions, in the same numerators, in the given fractions, same numerator, smaller the denominator. This is denominator we call as, which is smaller the denominator, which fraction, it means which fraction is smaller the denominator, that is the greater fraction, that is the greater fraction. Yes, dear student, the given fractions in the numerator are same. When the numerator are same in the given fractions, which fraction is the denominator is smaller compared to the other denominators. Here denominator is 3, here 4, here 5, here 6. Compare these fractions, 2 is the smaller. So in this fraction is greater fraction. Yes, dear student, in the given apple is one is the apple. This is one apple. Yes, dear student, in this apple we divide by 2 equal parts. So this is 2 equal parts. You get 2 members of. But in this apple we divide by 6 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts. In the smaller piece we are getting. Yes, so in the 6 members is there, we get a smaller pieces. Yes, this is very smaller. So in the one apple, this is one apple, consider 1. In the we divide by 6 parts. We divide by 6 parts, you get a very small part compared to this. Yes, you observe, this is off. This is 1 by 3. This is compare these two diagrams. This is the look like bigger. Yes, you get a more part of the apple. So when the fractions, given the fractions in the numerator is same, 1 1 1, these are the numerators same. The next denominators, we call denominators. When the denominators are changes, when the denominators is in the given fraction is very smaller denominator, that is the greater fraction. Are you clear, dear student? Yes. Okay, dear students, shall we move to the exercise 7.6? A main. What is the A main? Observe all of you. Page number 177. Dear student, the A main question is, shade the correct number of parts to represent the fraction written below each figure. Then compare both the fractions. Dear student, here 2 fractions is there. Here 2 figure also is there. In these 2 figures we need to shade the how many parts? Here given fraction is there, 3 by 8, the next 4 by 8. Okay, denominators are same. So now you shade in this figure you shade 3 parts because given numerator is 3. So in this numerator is 4. We need to shade 4 parts here. So shade now, dear student. In the A main first question, in the first fraction is 3 by 8. It means 8 indicated, this is the square, is totally divided by 8 parts. We need to shade 3 parts. Any parts you shade, any 3 parts in this square. This is one part. The next second part. The next you shade another one part, that is third part. Because why? Given fraction is 3 by 8. Yes, dear student? Yes, clear. The next second one is, in this square have a 8 groups divided by 8 equal parts. In these 8 equal parts we need to shade 4 parts. Yes, you shade 4 parts now. This is one of the part. The next second part. The next third part. The next 4. Yes, dear student. 4 parts and shade it. Okay. Here the next compare the given fraction. Here 3 by 8, here 4 by 8. You know dear student, when the denominator is the same, in the given fractions when the denominator is same, which fraction is greater than numerator? Which fraction is greater than numerator? That is bigger. Yes, you learned already. That is bigger. So compare these fractions. 3 by 8 is less than the 4 by 8. It means crocodile mouth always shows the bigger number. Yes, this is the crocodile mouth shows the bigger number. This is 4 by 8 is the bigger. Clear? Second one is your homework. Okay, dear students, shall we move to the B main? Circle the greater fraction in each pair. Circle the greater fraction in each pair. Here dear students, in the first example 8 by 17, second one is 6 by 17. So observe these fractions, denominator are same. When the denominator are same, the given fractions which is greater than numerator, which is greater than numerator, that is greater number. 8 by 8, compare 8 and 6 numerators, you compare which is greater, 8 is greater. So in this whole fraction is greater. So you circle the 8 by 17. This is the greater fraction. Yes, dear student, the next second one 9 by 18, the next 2 by 18. In the denominator, when the denominators are same, the given fractions which is the greater numerator, that is the greater fraction. Yes, 9 by 18 is the greater fraction. You circle the 9 by 8. The next 12 by 19, 12 by 13. Here numerator is same. When the numerators is same, the smaller the denominator. Smaller the denominator is greater fraction. Yes, dear students, smaller the denominator. This is 13 compared to 19. This is smaller. So this is the greater fraction. When the numerators are same, the given fraction, which fraction is denominator is smaller, that is greater. Clear? Yes. The next 16 by 17, 5 by 17. Denominators are same. Which fraction in the numerator is greater, that is the greater fraction. So 16 by 17 is the greater. Yes, dear student. Clear? The next move to the C main. Circle the smaller fraction in each pair. Circle the smaller fraction in each pair. First one is 3 by 17, 3 by 71. Here first one is 3 by 17. Second one is 3 by 71. When the given fractions in the numerators are same, in the which fraction denominator is greater, which fraction denominator is greater, that is the smaller fraction. That is the smaller fraction. Because why? We need to find out smaller fraction. Here we are find out greater fraction. Okay. The next 6 by 12, 12 by 15. Yes, the denominator is same. When the denominator is same in the given fractions, which fraction is greater the numerator? Sorry, smaller the numerator, that is smaller. Smaller the numerator, that is smaller. Greater the numerator is greater fraction. Smaller the numerator is smaller fraction. When the given fractions denominators are same, which fraction in the numerator is smaller, that is smaller fraction. Yes, dear student, clear? Yes, the next third one is 5 by 7, 5 by 9. In the given fractions, the numerator are same. In the denominator, in these fractions, which fraction denominator is greater, that is the smaller fraction. That is the smaller fraction. The next 9 by 11, 9 by 10. When the numerators are same in given fractions, which fraction is the greater the denominator? Greater the denominator, that is greater fraction. That is greater fraction. 9 by 11 compared to the 9 by 10, this is greater. Yes, dear student, clear? Are you understood? I hope you understood you in the greater fractions and the smaller fraction, how to we are find out. Yes, dear student, clear? Yes. In the next class, we will discuss about fractions in ascending order and descending order. Okay, dear student, study well in this concept in your home. Thank you.